I'm 22 years old, and today I learned why crows are considered some of the most intelligent animals on the planet. Crows can solve complex puzzles that even young children struggle with, like using a sequence of tools to get food. They've been observed bending wires into hooks to fish out treats and even remembering human faces for years. Scientists believe their intelligence is due to a large brain-to-body ratio and highly developed social structures. Next time you see a crow, remember you're looking at a true problem-solving genius.